Hello friends, welcome to Liquid Bird, and we are today going to discuss what thematical accuracy meant to us after we rejected the previous version of the game and we found out many flaws. So we found out that we have to understand how everything basically operates in the industry. For example, nobody would build a rocket based on whatever card they get, right? Rather than that, they would be more willing to choose what they're going to build. So ideas like that we listed out, and then we decided on to put in the game, and that would make the game, let's say, thematically accurate. But then moving towards thematical accuracy, if you go for 100% accuracy, you would be basically creating a simulation of the a real world industry, but that might not turn out to be fun. So we have to do these things in a way that it would be meaningful, it would be fun as well. Now, one example for such thing would be, let's say, if I were to decide which rocket to make, how would I reach to that decision? So initially, in the previous version, we used to have simple payload cards, as you can see here, and you have a rocket. So we went to the conclusion that we need to link these two so that people could decide what to make. So here I am just showing one payload card. We put some requirements over the payload card. Now these requirements basically come from the complexity of the mission. So let's say for lunar rover, you need to have higher thrust, higher stability as compared to an orbital mission. And using that principle, we brought some requirements on the payload cards. Now, if somebody has this payload card, the decision to build the rocket would be governed by these numbers, and you will have to be constantly looking for blueprints or paths that can meet those requirements, or looking for other aspects in the game which allows you to meet those requirements with, let's say, lower part as well. Now we also talked about introducing currency. So different parts will have different cost impact on your business and different approach. For example, using we brought the aspect of reusability. So different reusable parts might turn out to be much cheaper as compared to higher attribute parts at the end of the game. And so you work out all those aspects, list out things which you want to put in the game, which your players want to put in the game. For example, testing, and then linking the whole building thing with the launch and similar aspects. So that's how we determine whatever things that we are going to put into the game. I have talked about different things that they are in the game. Now, in the coming videos, we'll talk about them, why and how. Thank you.